Market ups and downs bothering you? Start trading in future. Market ups and downs bothering you? Start trading in future. Market ups and downs bothering you? Start trading in future.
Good evening, guys. I'm audible. Yeah. Good evening. I'm audible, guys. Yes. Just let me know in comment section. I'm audible, guys. Okay. Fine. Fine. Yeah. Fine, guys. So we'll wait for 1 minute. So other folks are still joining. Okay. Thanks, Raj, for confirmation. Okay. I'm visible. Yes. Okay. Great. Yeah. Thanks. If I'm not clearly audible, then I can connect my headphone. But I don't think headphone is required. Yeah. Clearly audible. Fine. So, guys, today's topic is what the will build an LLM model by using a what Groq inferencing engine. Have you heard about the Groq, guys, before the session? Have you heard of word what is exactly Groq? Yes, anyone? Because it's a new in generative AI. Okay, and right now on LLM model and even on different open source like a chat GPT and other models, okay, like Gemini. See, Grok is a dominant in market because it's having the number of features, okay, in terms of GPU and TPU and LPU. So we'll discuss that one also. Okay, fine tuning. Yeah, fine. So we'll discuss about what is exactly a Grok inferencing engine. then we'll deep dive into what is exactly the Groq with LLM model. Okay, right now most of the generative AI model are deployed using a Groq engine. Okay, so we'll discuss about this its architecture, and even there are some of we can say a different engine, so we can integrate with the LLM model to improve the performance. Okay, because the Groq engine is completely on LPU, language processing unit. Have you heard about language processing unit? Yes, we have seen the CPU, we know the CPU, we know the GPU, even we know the TPU, but this LPU is new to us, correct? So today we'll go through the LPU, its internal architecture, and how it's worked, because it's a 15 times faster than LLM models, standalone LLM models. Okay, so I'll discuss 15 minutes, initial 15 minutes on LLM model. And after that, we'll see the Groq implementation along with its internal architecture. Fine. If you have any doubt or any like question, you can just, yes, LP is new. It's a new technology actually. Okay, it's a dedicated for the language processing, obviously. Okay, so let's see one by one. So before, I'll just share my presentation. Just let me know it's visible, guys. Yes. So how to use an open source LLM locally? Okay. Yeah, obviously we'll use the LLM model. First of all, you should know what is meant by LLM model first, before Groq implementation. Okay, because guys, it's completely based upon the LLM or long chain model. Even we'll use Gemini Pro or other BARD tools. But this Groq is a top of, like, we are implementing top of the a layer. That means the initial layer, that means we need to build a model on LLM base, and then we can just wrap up, we can say it's a wrapper on LLM models. Okay, so first, what is LPU? Okay, so LPU right now, okay, is a language processing unit, the fastest inference for the computationally intensive application. Okay, for example, if you are using a chat gpt, okay, so in chat gpt, if you are giving some prompt, okay, so chat gpt will take around like some millisecond or microsecond to generate the response. But on other hand, this Groq LPU, this is processing like a highly computational extensive application. That means what? The same response we can generate within a fraction of second. Means it's a 15 times faster than LLM models. So right now in market, yeah, most of the chat GPT, or sorry, chat applications, chatbot, AI applications, they are built on LLM. Okay, but they are taking too much time to generate a response. So that's why this LLM model we are integrating with Groq keywords framework. Okay, so it's a highly extensive and it's having the high computational engine. It will execute the prompt within a fraction of a second. That's the main purpose to use a Groq. Okay, it's means greater. You can say a greater compute capacity than CPU and GPU. Okay, as you know, the GPU are like very much faster than the CPU, but on top of that we have a TPU also. But again, they have their own limitations, because it's built upon there are different architecture, or we can say they are also having a high computational power. But for some of the application which is on real time, okay, we need to process the result within a fraction of second. Okay, so that's why right now in a market we are means extensively the Groq framework, like it's more we can say demanded. Okay, and it's a feasible actually. So Groq we can integrate with the different models. We see I'll show you the actual implementation part. Okay, you can see here faster time per word generation, allowing the faster text generation. Okay, or does not support ML. Obviously, this Groq is a framework which can generate a response, but it's which not, we can use for machine learning training. Okay, so already trained model like Open AI, Chat GPT, LLM, Gemini. bald. These are the model actually, correct? It's built upon the large language. Okay, and after building this model we can integrate with the Groq, but we can't use Groq for the training purpose. So please take a note. Okay, so this is not training framework. Okay, yes, we need to take the access. We have a cloud access. Does not support we need to request for cloud access. Actually, first of all we need to generate an API key and we can use in your application. Okay, fine. This is the architecture of Groq. Okay, first of all guys, before that, uh, can you please let me know, do you know the how the LLM model works? Okay, we already taken the session. Yes, any idea about LLM models? Again yes, we have a differentiation. Okay, this is the LLM model session. LLM with the Groq. We have a differentiation for Hugging Face. Yes, guys, do you know this how the LLM model works? Yes, any idea? Okay, why it's called as LLM? Yes, it's a large language model. Okay, what it means? It's a large language model means what? If we are designing a model, okay, so we have a limitation of domain. Okay, so normal model, that means if we are building a model for banking domain, so we have that much data. That data we are feeding to the particular model, so that model can generate a response or predict something based on its training data set, correct? But in large language model, they have the tremendous use data. Okay, on top of that they have trained and they can generate a response. Like you can ask anything, they can generate a response because they train on huge data set. Okay, not only huge data set, it's also from a different domain. It can be from medical domain, it can be from healthcare domain, it can be from any domain. So that's why you can just feed data. You can just ask something, it will generate a response like a chat GPT. Okay, this is the one way actually. Okay, I'll take some suppose LLM model we can use. Just a minute, guys. Suppose this is the LLM model. Okay, this LLM model we can use for different purposes. First of all, okay, this LLM model. First, they have trained on a huge data. First of all, huge data, and this data is coming from like different sources, like a medical, okay, healthcare, healthcare. Then it's a general model actually. We can say it's a general model. That means we have filled the huge data from different domain. Okay, and this model we can use to generate a response, and that you can ask any prompt. Okay, so first of all, it's a general use. Okay, general use. Second one, this model we can also use for specific use case study. For example, use case. For example, suppose we have a PDF. Okay, and you just want to grab the data from the PDF. Okay, and then you can ask any question on that particular content. Means whatever the data we have fed through the PDF, you can ask the prompt, or you can ask your query to fetch the data from that particular PDF. Okay, so that is the specific case. This one. Third one, generation. Means what? You can generate a response. Okay, that means what? Suppose you want to generate a new image. Okay, based on the prompt, this LLM model can generate a new image. Again, the LLM model divided into two parts. Actually, text, that is language processing, and the another one is a computer vision. Actually, it's on image processing. Okay, mainly LLM model having two domain, we can say. Just like on we have seen the in Gemini, we have Gemini and Gemini Pro and Pro Vision. We have two model, right? So one is for text analysis, text generation, and another for the what, image analysis on image processing. correct? So in the same way, this model we can use for our specific purpose. Like you can feed the data and you can ask anything. Okay, but this model is having the limitation again. You can't use the as it is model. Okay, the LLM model provided by the Google, Microsoft, even OpenAI, correct? And this model having the some limitation. What are the limitation? The first one, it takes first of all, these are not freeware. Okay, they have provided the API, but they have some limitation. Correct. Again, if suppose if you are generating your own chatbot or something your chat application, so in that case sometimes suppose you give the prompt, okay, and this prompt regarding your PDF, for example, you have fed the PDF, correct, and based on that PDF content, if something asked by the user like tell me the short summary of the sales or profit or like the other so might be it takes a more time, it might happen, but if we attach this LLM with what, which one, Groq here, Groq, or we can, so this will increase the performance because this framework or this wrapper will increase the response time, it will decrease the latency. Okay, we'll see one by one. So how it's generated actually, so this is generated by the different way. For example, suppose we have documents, this is the PDF. Okay, so this is a PDF1, PDF1, PDF2, 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 this is the PDF what 3. Okay, so this PDF converted into first of all chunks, its PDF converted into chunks. Okay, after that it will convert it into what, the binary models. For example, here you can see here it's an internal architecture. Okay, so you can see here first of all we feed the data. Okay, suppose this is the prompt actually, how it's how it's generate the response. So first of all it searches the documents. Okay, and the documents is relevant document actually, and it's filled into the database, it's having its own database. Again this same, it will be fed by the LLM, but it's a integrated with the Groq keyword. Okay, so it will generate the response and it will return to the end user. Why? Because it's we can say the huge content, it will divide into chunk, so that's why it is it is able to generate a response in within minimum time. Okay, you can see here this Groq, we can see we can connect with the Chroma, we can create the Mistral, we can connect with the Gradio Launcher. Okay, so Chroma is a actually database. Okay, these are the some model we can say, and we can integrate with the anything, any model. So these are the reference actually. Okay, so without wasting time we'll see what is exactly how we can use a Groq. So here I've implemented one, I think one notebook. Okay, before that I'll just, okay, it's the official website actually. This is the official website of Groq. Okay, if you want to use, first of all, just Groq Cloud, click on Groq Cloud. It will provide the same prompt, just like an OpenAI or ChatGPT. You can see. Okay, you can write any prompt like, yes, what is a Python language? Okay, just submit the prompt. You can see the response. Okay, same thing if we apply on ChatGPT, it will take some time, but you can see here how fast, or you can see here inference with a 6 to 7 millisecond. Even the tokens, these are the token generated per second. Okay, you can give any prompt. If you want to give another prompt, you can give. Just like explain LLM models. LLM models. You can see quick it will generate results. Okay, because it's an inferencing engine. Inferencing engine means it's having its own engine. Okay, and even it's embed some result, whatever the result it can generate, it will embed into its own memory. So that's why every time we don't need to ask to the LLM model. It will fetch from the local database. It will generate the tokens. You can see here this Groq, we can integrate the different model. For Google is a gamma. Okay, then Meta, you can see these are the LLM 370B, LM 38B. These are the from Meta, and this is the Mistral AI. You can see there are some other models also there. Okay, but these are the some compatible model with Groq. Guys, you guys have you got any idea actually what is exactly a brief idea of what is exactly Groq framework? Yes, yes, guys. Do you get any idea, basic idea about the Groq framework? Yes, just let me know in comment section. Pre-train, how LLM model are pre-trained? Actually, it's the same like machine learning model. Okay, but we are training our machine learning model on on specific data. Okay, but LLM model like train on huge data. Okay, it's having some sub models. Okay, just like your clustering ensemble technique. Okay, there are some model, suppose the sub model which is trained on medical domain, one is trained on like finance domain, and this combined it is generated indirectly. Yes, no. Do you get any basic idea actually what is exactly Groq? It's a wrapper. Okay, generally we are using what? Oh no, it's not the same like chat gpt. Chat gpt is a LLM model, right? It's a simple LLM model, but it takes some amount of time to generate a response. But on other hand, there are like this framework, Groq framework, it's used if you are integrating your LLM, that is a chat GPT model, right? Okay, with Groq, so it will generate a very response in within minimum time. That's what we are using a Groq. Okay, it's not same as a chat GPT. Got it, guys? No, it's same. It's not same. Do you get any idea, basic idea? Or no, again, it's not alternative. It's not alternative. It's not alternative to chat GPT. We can say we are improving the performance. Okay, just attaching a new framework. It's not alternative, because there must be what? LLM model. Yes, 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 yes. There are different use cases actually. Okay, in a real time, suppose we have a quarterly reports, suppose bank statements, or even some product reports or product evaluation reports. Okay, and you want to perform some analysis. Okay, so to grab the data from PDF and dump into the database, and again from database, if you are attaching the Power BI or any other BI tool, so it will take the time, correct? So in short, you can just feed the PDF to the Groq keyword or Groq framework, or even for the LLM model. Okay, it will generate a response very quickly. Okay, again, it's not updated version, guys. It's not like we can't say LLM model must be there. First of all, you can see here, I just, you can see here, these are the LLM model. You can see these are the models. Okay, we are using this one. Chat GPT means open AI model. I think there is we are okay, they have not given the Chat GPT, but we can integrate. Okay, but you can see here gamma, LLM3, these are the LLM models like Chat GPT. So these models are integrated with the Groq. Okay, so here you can see a documentation. I'll here suppose these are the model. You can see supported model. Okay, and yes, I just want to, so these are these some of the Python example. So you can see here conversational chatbot, DuckDB test to be to SQL. Okay, so majorly this guys, this framework majorly used to uh, means implement the chatbot AI assistant, where we can feed the or custom data and generate a quick response. That's it. Again, the model is must be there. Means for example, here we have a model. Suppose here we have our LLM model. This is the LLM model. Okay, and on top of that we have just attached with the product. Okay, so this is the inferencing engine. Inferencing engine means it will generate the quick response. Dedicated engine like this one. So this LLM model can be anyone. Like we can use Gamma, ChatGPT, OpenAI, even Bard. Yes, we can integrate manually. We can integrate, even though means they have not provided here the model supported in more support model, but we can customize. Okay, and how we can use this Groq in your like to implement your own chatbot or AI assistant. So first of all, you need to create again API key. Okay, so this is the limitation. Actually, you can see your API keys. So this is a rate limit. Okay, because it's a paid one. They have provided the free one. You can see here. You need to create the API keys. Okay, and just you can use in your LLM model. Okay, so I'll just go just a minute. I'll just give the brief idea about the implementation. You can see here. First of all, you need to install Groq Longchain Core, even Longchain Chroma DB, then PyPDF. These are the some dependencies. Okay, so here Gadio, I've installed. I'll give the requirement. Don't worry. Okay, after that, here we have imported the chat chat Groq. Then for document loaders, we have imported the text loader. Okay, and so langchain community. Okay, so again text editor, then vector stores. It's for database. Okay, and this is the prompt and prompt table. After that, uh, actually this is the Google Colab notebook. So we have dumped the data into PDF folder. Then first of all, this recursive characters text splitter, it will divide the data into what, 1,000 chunk. Okay, and chunk overlap means how many chunks it will get overlap in one iteration. 200 iteration, 200. After that, the split the document, it will create a chunk. Fine. Then we have a model. You can see model name, sentence transform, all. You can use here gamma model. You can use your other model also. Fine. It's a CPU. Actually, we don't have any GPU, so you can use this is the embedding. Okay, here we can see we have fetch the data. First of all, we need to convert into vector store. Okay, then this user data. Now we need to feed the data to the Groq framework. Okay, so you can see here we have already generated key. So we need to feed the key. You have to select the model, on which model you need to generate the response. This is the Mistral model. Then again here it's a prompt. Okay, this is the prompt. You can see ghn.invoke. It will generate the response. Okay, so basically the purpose to use the Groq to what is the purpose actually? To generate the response in minimum time, because it uses tokens along with what? It's an inferencing engine. Got it, guys? What the basic idea? Yes. How we can use? We can refer this developer like window. Here we can create first of all Groq API. Then it will give the endpoints. Okay, and it just a model. These three things use. These three things are required to implement the what? Chatbot or AI system. You can see they have given the pricing. Okay, for LLM model, Llama model actually LLM. You can see 8K context length, current speed, and the price per million tokens. Okay, for Mistral this one, LM3 8B Gamma this one. You can see fastest inference period means what? Grab and demonstrated 15 times faster LLM inference performance on artificial analysis.ai leaderboard compared to the top cloud-based providers. You can see here, these are actually leaderboard. You can see here in fourth quadrant, you can see what is, guys? Why Groq? You can see Groq is on a mission to set the standard for a Gen AI inference speed, then helping a real-time AI application come to life today. Okay, okay. Then what is the LPU? What is the LPU actually? So LPU is the language processing unit. You heard about the GPU, TPU, and CPU, but it's a dedicated language processing unit. What is the use of this one? To process the natural language. Okay, very quickly you can see it will generate the system that provide the fastest inference for the computationally intensive sequential component to them, and such as AI language LLM models. This one. Why it's so fast? You can see. Okay, it uses compute density and memory bandwidth, and even we can say LPU has a greater compute capacity than GPU and CPU. So it's a, we can say it's a new technology. Okay, as a traditional like CPU and GPU, they are having their own limitation, but right now it's overcome this highly complex natural language processing jobs. We can implement it on LPU. Got it, guys? Okay, support the machine learning frameworks such as PyTorch, TensorFlow, ONNX for inference. Go to create LLM model. Okay, sorry. On LLM model. Okay, correct. Exactly, exactly. Now we got the idea. What is exactly clock? Okay. Any doubt, guys? Please let me know in comment session. Yes. Hello. Do you have any question? Yes. Oh yeah, Django is different from actually. Okay, it's a wrapper. Okay. Do you want me to like create a chat bot or AI assistant during the session? Just give the thumbs up in chat session section. Okay, I can design chatbot or virtual AI assistant. If you want, we can plan for that. Yes. Which one you want? The chatbot or AI assistant? Virtual AI assistant or chatbot? Okay. Which one, guys? Chatbot. Okay. So, guys, we'll plan. Uh, we'll take that one in the next session. So we can feed. Actually, I've designed, but it's given some issue actually. Okay, I've designed the same chatbot. Okay, multi LLM PDF model. Okay, and even yes, 1 second. Just 2 minutes. I've designed, but it's having some issue. Just 1 minute. Executing. Already designed, but it's showing some issue actually. Just a minute. My bit blocked ports. Okay, fine. I think port got blocked. Okay, now it's loaded. You can see it's loaded the environment file. I hope what the use of environment variable we already discussed, right, in regular session. This environment variable contain the what API key or credentials. So that environment variable just we have loaded. Okay, you can see it's get executed on port number this one. You can see this is the chatbot application I already designed, but it's having some issue. Actually, you can see you can just uh, browse the PDF file that you want. Suppose I just this interview question. Okay, but it's written some HTTP error. You can see I've tried with the pooling also, but I don't know what is happening. Just a minute. Huh? Just a minute. It's using skeleton. Just a minute. We can pull what it is showing. Try pulling it first. Okay. Once if we pull that one, we can just generate, or even here just you need to just what upload the multiple PDF file and you can write your own prompt. That's it. Okay, but it's having some issue actually. But no worry, I'll design this complete chatbot in front of you. Yeah, I'll give that repository. Yeah, I'll give the link. Okay, got it, guys? Got the basic idea? Yes. Just a minute. I'm trying to pull it. Just. Don't worry, everything I'll clear. It's executing on CMD, but I don't know what is happening. Okay. Now it's pulling. Wait for a minute. Verifying. Okay. Fine. Now we'll try to execute. It loaded the environment variable. Fine. Okay. Now I just browse the file. Yeah, now it's accepted. Let's see. I think it's training. Okay, fine. Perfect. Now we can ask the question. Okay. I've uploaded the interview question. Okay. So you can see here top 5 interview question. Now you can see it's get generated. Response should generate. You can see. Oh, call failed. Status code 404. Okay, fine. Why it's failing? Okay, fine. Which file I have executed? Okay, fine. It's a simple code. Okay, normal not charges string. It's a model. Okay, we need to give the model. Which model need to give? This one. Setting documentation models. I'll give the model this one. This model or any model you can give. Okay, I'll give the gamma model. Copy, paste. Okay, control S. Fine. Now control C. Done. Let's see. Loaded environment file. Yes. Okay, I'll drop the data science interview question. Let's see. It will get this model get trained. Okay, because we have fitted the PDF file, so this model get trained on that particular file. So you can ask any question from this file. Let's see. Don't worry, we'll create this model. Okay, just you need to have the knowledge about the NLP, natural language processing. What is tokenization? Then what is lemmatization? Then vector TF vector ID. That means to convert the document into what vectors. So that terms you need to know. Then you can generate the this type of model. So wait, yes, I think this file is having, I think it's a 4 MB file. Let's see. It will take some time. Wait for 1 minute. I think it's fine. Still it is training. In previous model, which framework used the code exposed for the chatbot? Okay. Oh, still it is training. Fine, fine, fine. Wait, well, we'll wait for 1 minute. If not, then we'll try to upload the small file. Or you can upload more than one PDF. That is not an issue. That depends on your computational power actually, your laptop configuration. It is loading. Okay, okay, I'm just uploading light. Just okay. I've uploaded even a small file. Let's see what happens. Okay, no worry. Uh, we'll see in next session. So how to create this chatbot. Okay, using the LLM and Groq. Fine, guys. Just you should know what is the use of PyPDF to then chunk how to create the vector from documents that you know to fine. I hope you got the basic idea about the Groq keyword or framework. I think it still is running. I don't know what's happening. Just a minute. I'll just stop the model and then again. Yes. Okay, I will try small file. Fine, no issue. We'll see in the next session how to build this chatbot. Okay, using the LLM and Grok. Even we have different framework. We'll see that one also. You can see here it's get loaded. Then here top what for you question. Oh, it's get filled. No issue. We'll see in next session. Fine. Thanks a lot for your time.